What?
Mommy.
Yes, Snowy, what?
It's my face hands.
Well, how can I get your berry friends when you threw them down the side of the thing?
Yeah. Just in my bed.
You're going to dance in your bed?
Ow.
Oh, did you hurt your toe?
Kick.
Oh, no.
Kick.
Doesn't that kind of hurt your toe?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, then why are you doing it? I like your skirt.
This is my bed.
Oh, you're going to dance in your bed? Can you do the potty dance?
Yeah.
Will you sing it for me? Sing it for me. Oh, that's pretty.
Kitties in there.
There's kitties in there?
Yeah.
In that hole?
Yeah. Kitties.
How'd they get in there?
Yeah. Cat food.
Oh, cat food was in there? Who?
Cat food's in there.
Oh, I see. They went in there to eat cat food?
Kitties.
Who put the cat food in there? Who did that? Who did it?
Dragon.
A dragon? Why did he do that?
Dragon.
Well, why do you think? Oh, yeah, I know you dropped the berry friends down there.
Mommy, get them.
How can I get them? They're way, way underneath there. I don't even know if our camera can see them.
Me too.
Oh, look at them way down there. The picture becomes quite grainy.
Mommy, get them.
How am I supposed to get them?
Mommy.
Yes.
Mommy,
Yeah.
help me, don't me too.
You're going to go get them?
Pet.